Meals. How's it going, Tram?
Oh, it's going so great, Mark and Caribe. Well, you know we love this event. Okay, so again, please call because we're only going to be here until 6:30. 480-398-4499. Keep these volunteers busy. You know what? You may recognize this familiar face over here, Tyson. We used to interview Tyson all the time when we came out here. You are Vice President of Communications for United Food Bank. Well, you actually switched to another agency that has been sponsoring United Food Bank, Resolution Copper. Congrats, but we do miss you on this side, by the way.
Thank you. I'm just excited to be here. I mean, this is a wonderful day. I knew I was going to miss it, so I had to come back with Resolution Copper and make a donation, and we're sponsoring part of this.
I was going to say, it's come full circle, and I wanted to bring you in this conversation to give folks perspective. You now work out in the East Valley, and you see it, you feel it, just the need that's out there. Describe what you're seeing.
That is true. So I work for Resolution Copper. We're a copper project in Superior, Arizona, an area called the Copper Corridor. And I get to see these rural communities that are struggling with water, struggling with food. I see the 1 in 4 kids struggling with hunger. So with Resolution Copper and our commitment to help empower these communities and thrive, we're here helping United Food Bank to provide that food to Eastern Arizona, to those rural communities.
I love it. Now you're on the other side of giving. So thank you to Resolution Copper for $12,500 to the United Food Bank. Thank you, thank you. Guys, back to you.
All right, Tram, thank you. Team 12 meteorologist Jamie Cagle is out in the warehouse right now.
And Jamie, we're also looking at a dangerously